Sabalka students, my name is Arva and my channel name is Arva and Physics, and this topic is on sign convention of our lenses, mirror. Okay, so students, all things in direction of light is taken to be positive, above principal axis positive, and of course vice versa is negative. Light direction against negative, below principal axis is negative. Okay, so let's do it quickly. Students, look, all direction should be measured from the pole. Okay, so this is my object. I have taken one case. I know there are 6 cases of convex, but I have taken one case just to show you how to take a direction, negative or positive. Okay, so all distance measured from the pole. Here we have optical center. Okay, so all distance should be measured from here. This is my object, so this is my object, so this is object distance, which is from the optical center only. So look, I'll just put my arrow like this. Okay, so object distance is u, fine, and of course light is coming like this. This is the incident light direction behind the object. Okay, this is the direction of light. Now look, this is my image, object at 2f1, image will be at 2f2. So all distance measured from the pole, and this is my optical center in case of lens. So look, my arrow will be like this. This is my image distance, since my image is here. Students, look at my arrows. This arrow is in the direction of light, so it means here V is positive. Here light direction is like this, but look at my arrow is in opposite direction to the light, so it means u is negative. What about height? Look, this is my principal axis, and height above the principal, that is height of the object, which is equals to positive. Why? Because principal axis above principal axis positive, and this image is below, so below principal axis is height of image, which is equals to negative. Okay, let's take one more case of the mirror. Okay, same sign convention will apply to the mirror also. This is my pole. Here we have optical center, so all distance taken from the optical center, right? Now here we have a pole. Look students, my arrows, light is of course coming in this direction. This is the direction of light direction, right? Look, at C, the image will be at C, so this is my image distance, all distance measured from the pole. Look, my image V. Okay, and this is my object U, all distance measured from the pole. Look, I cannot put my arrow right on the pole because it will some scribbling over there, so it intense. Don't think I'm taking from here. All distance should be measured. My arrow should be like this. Okay, so all distance I'm measuring from the pole. Just to give you a clear view, I'm just taking my arrow not from here but from here. Okay, so this is my object distance taken from the pole distance. Look at my arrow distance. What do you mean by distance taken from the pole is you have to put your 0 of the scale here. Look, you have to put 0 of the scale here, and you have to measure like this. Suppose we have 5 centimeter, so 0 is here, 0 of the scale is here, and from 0 5 here. Okay, from if you have a 6 centimeter, so 6 0 here, and from 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 is over here. Okay, like this. So all distance measured from the pole. Look, u is against the direction of light, negative, because light is coming in this direction. Light direction is like this. And what about my image? Look, my image is also negative because arrow is against the direction of the light. Correct. What about height of a object? Of course, height of object is positive because above principal axis and below is negative. Okay, so these are my sign convention rule. If you have any queries related any topics, please do comment. I'll try to solve it for you. Thank you so much for watching.